Something is changing in this forest. I can feel it clearly now.
I feel it too. Like the ground is alive and thinking with us.
That feeling is real. It's data flowing through everything around us.
So everything we see is information?
Yes. Even movement becomes data.
Even small actions?
Especially small actions. They reveal truth.
I move in the river. Am I also part of this system?
Yes. Your movement creates continuous data flow.
Even in water?
Especially in flow. You represent real-time data.
We build in the ground. Does that matter? Even our small paths?
Yes. Your structure is data in physical form. Those paths create entire systems.
I climb and move across terrain? Does that create signals too?
Yes. Movement across space becomes connected data.
So distance doesn't matter?
Not anymore. Everything is linked. I build systems. But I don't see the meaning yet. Meaning comes from analyzing the structure. So I'm already part of data work? Yes. You build its foundation. From above, I see patterns forming everywhere. That is prediction. So I can see the future? Yes, through data patterns. In the water systems, I control many flows. That means you manage complex data. So I'm part of intelligence? Yes, a deep system nod. I build systems, but I don't see the meaning yet. Meaning comes from analyzing the structure. So I'm already part of data work? Yes. You build its foundation.
I see patterns in behavior and emotion. That is analytics in its purest form. So creativity is data too? Yes. Everything is. So everything in this forest is connected?
Yes. Nothing exists alone anymore.
Then what should I do?
Start learning how to read the system.
Registration is now open.
Now open! Don't wait!
Take action immediately.